Freeing stuck pipe and recovering tubing and casing costs the oil and gas industry billions of dollars in operating costs each year. DynaBlade tubular jet cutters can cut drill pipe, coiled tubing, packer mandrels, tubing and casing with minimal flare to make fishing and P&A jobs much more effective. The value proposition is compelling. With today's third-generation technology jet cutters, getting a predictive first cut every time at maximum working pressures provides unmatched savings in rig time with less operating cost. When pipe needs to be cut, a jet cutter is usually run with 2 bowsprings, shock subs, and a casing collar locator. The string is stopped above the stuck point and the jet cutter is fired. The radial linear shaped charge makes a clean and precise cut, and the string is retrieved to surface. The tubing can now be pulled out of hole and well operations can continue. The charge used in a jet cutter produces a 360-degree radial explosive jet. Jet cutters can be used in all types of fluid environments, including dry gas. When a cutter fires downhole, a backup plate is slammed against the top sub to create a witness plate that can be inspected when the string is retrieved to surface. The witness plate markings indicate a high-order detonation, and it is proof that the charge did jet. In the rare case of a low-pressure leak, or if the jet cutter was damaged in conveyance because it wasn't centralized, the top sub would have a smooth surface. Jet cutters are a quick and effective solution to cut coiled tubing and drill pipe with minimal flare. With an understanding of downhole conditions, a jet cutter can neatly sever tubing and control lines. Jet cutters are also used to cut packer mandrels. This Inconel 718 mandrel was successfully shot at 18,000 psi with a highly predictive cut. The packer housing was not damaged because the depth of the cut was accurately predicted based on pipe specifications, temperature, and hydrostatic pressure. Many types of casing can be cut, so one of the most important applications is retrieving casing before abandoning a well. Jet cutters can be customized to handle various clearances and casing sizes, and they can easily cut through corroded, scaled, and plastic-coated pipe. Unlike other downhole pipe cutting methods, jet cutters have no moving parts, and there are no hazardous chemicals. And because anchoring is not required, there is minimal risk of sticking. DynaBlade is a third-generation jet cutter design developed by W.T. Bell International. 18 oil and gas companies have qualified W.T. Bell cutters for their operations. DynaBlade, the highest reliability jet cutter, is the ideal choice to get a first cut every time. Compare the impact that DynaEnergetics perforating systems make, and you'll see a measurable difference in performance, reliability, and well productivity. Specify DynaEnergetics on your next well.